Today we will trying to see using React GIS card operations using API endpoints. Previous videos we have seen how we can retrieve the data, how we can create the data post to the endpoint. This one is performing the update. Here before here seeing here see I'm fetching the authentication and authorization. Authorized person get back their vector data based on they get back the login assign the records vector data records. Here see some of the vector data particular village and some of the classification regarding vector specific features. After that we do the assign to the particular person on the vector data, and suppose we want to click so and so vector data, it is redirecting to the vector data is mm, existing means where vector data is in coordinate system where actually the presented. After that we want to do the update operation. I'm trying to updating some specific record. It is fetch back the vector specific record. The vector data is position is correctly placed at the time of loading. This arrangement we can manage. After that we need to add one update means some of the position I am newly added. See here endpoint only one vector data only is presented. Click updating new changes. The data is reaching to the endpoint. The correction is modified. After that, here number we are provided. Some number I am provided. Updated changes at the vector data side. As usually, modified corrections also it is reflected on endpoint. I don't want this one. I'm saving. Again, I am submitted. Changes will be reflected on the backend side. Here, this React, the React JS, we are performing the code of GES code operations. This is totally assigned to the user GUI. The associated authorized information fetch back and showing their vector data where uh, vector data is existing in coordinate system. Suppose this is the path. The user want to log out. We have created private routes. Suppose same route want to access React private routes. The data is private. It is not a person is a privately means is login, not a login person. That's why the information is not redirected to the uh, not authenticated and authorized scenarios. It's not considered. It is not applied. Means here person is not login. That's why data it's not get back. These things we are achieved using here see back again dashboard giving the refresh. Automatically the logout is go and get back the information as an indication. The private routes it is taking action. It is not a person. Is a routes are dedicated to the private. That's why it is automatically terminate a previous existing data standing on private manner. Same manner only the data is showing. Suppose the data is usable in public manner. That's why routes is routes is not allowing data. Again I'm trying to log in. again it is get back. Suppose I want to show the data. It is get back the charts wise data. Suppose I want to trying to show based on specific the vector data wise, what is data variations, what are the type of how many times the farmer itself selling the craft is really benefiting or not. Such a use case we need to using the charts to display. We want to some of the bills we get back game farmer based on his control is get back those files. That things is possible. Today we are seeing GS using React. We are performing the update operation successfully. Fine, I'm giving conclusion.